Hey everyone, let's talk about a circular linked list. In the previous lecture, we already discussed about what is meant by linked list and the memory representation of linked list. There are four types of linked list. The first one is a singly linked list, or we can call it as a single linked list. Second one is a doubly linked list. Third one is a circular linked list, and fourth one is a circular doubly linked list. And today we are going to learn about what is meant by circular linked list. There are two types of circular linked list, circular singly linked list and circular doubly linked list. In this lecture, we talk about a circular singly linked list, or we can simply call it as a circular linked list. So first let's learn about how to represent a circular linked list in a memory. As we already discussed in the previous lecture that a collection of objects is called as a node, and a node in a linked list is represented like this. So this is node 1, then this is node 2, this is node 3. Okay. Then in a circular linked list, each node is divided into two buckets, or we can call it as a partition. The first partition or the first bucket is called as a data, and the second partition is called as a next. Again, for the second node, the first partition is data and this is next. For the third node, again first partition is data and second one is a next. So data is a value and next is a pointer which points to the address of next node. Next is a pointer variable which points to the address of next node. So this is node 1, this is node 2 and this is node 3. So node 1 next points to the address of node 2. Or we can say that node 2 address is stored into next of node 1. Node 3 address is stored into the next of node 2. So this is a singly linked list, and the first node in a list is called as a head, or we can call it as a start, and the last node of the linked list is called as a tail or end of the list. This list is called as a singly linked list. Now talking about the circular linked list. This is simply a singly linked list, just we have to store the address of the first node into the last node. So this is called as a circular linked list. The circular linked list is same as a singly linked list, just we have to store the address of the first node of the list into the last node of the next. Node 3 is the last node of the list, and in node 3 next we store the address of node 1. So this list is called as a circular linked list or circular singly linked list. Here the last element points to the address of first. Okay. So this is a circular linked list. Now let's see one example. I am going to create 4 number of nodes. So this is node 1, then node 2, this is node 3 and this is node 4. Now again each node is divided into two partitions like this. Now let's store the data value. So the first partition is data. For example, here is a 10, 20, 30 and 40. This is called as a data, and let's say for example 10 has address 100, 20 has address 200, 30 has address 300 and 40 has address 400. So at 100 element is stored, that is 10. At address 200 the element stored is 20. At address 300 the element stored is 30 and so on. Now in this linked list, this is node 1, this is node 2, then node 3 and here is a node 4. Now here in the first node the address of second node is stored. Means in the first node of next the address of second node is stored. The address of second node is 200. So here we store the address 200 into node 1. Then the third node address is stored into the second node. So third node address is 300. So it is stored into the second node. Again the fourth node address is stored into the third node, and that is 400. Here the first node address is stored into the last node. Okay, so the first node address is 100, so it is stored into the last node. So this is called as a circular linked list. the first element address is stored into the last element of the list. So that's why it is called as a circular linked list. Now let's talk about some of the theory parts about circular linked list. In a circular linked list, the last node of the list contains a pointer to the first node of the list. The last node points to the address of first. In a singly linked list, every node points to its next node in the sequence and the last node points to null. For example, here we create a singly linked list, and here suppose first node store the address of second node store the address of third. Now here the third node is not linked with any other node, so here we assign the value as null. Okay, but in a circular linked list, every node points to its next node in a sequence, but the last node points to the first node, and that's why this value is not null. The last node store the address of first node. It means circular linked list is similar to the singly linked list, except that the last node points to the first node in the list. We traverse a circular singly linked list until we reach the same node where we started. Traversing means visiting each and every node of the list. So we traverse a circular singly linked list until we reach the same node where we started. Circular linked list has no beginning and no ending. There is no null value present in the next part of any of the node.